What's up, y'all? Oh my god, it's been like forever, but we're doing Vlogmas. So today I'm gonna give you guys like 4 to 5 tips on how to become a brand ambassador. And then we also opened up our course to teach you guys more in depth of how to become a brand ambassador, what to do. We literally broke down, guys, like everything you need to do to be a brand ambassador. So I'm super excited. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. So I wrote everything down in my handy dandy notes. And I'm just gonna go through it with you today. Okay, so my first thing on becoming a brand ambassador is to literally write down all the brands that you want to work with. So you need to know the brand you want to work with, the email address that like goes to their sales department or even their department, because sometimes they'll transfer you to the sales department. And then you also need like just to know where the location is, like if it's located in Florida, DC, Maryland, like you got to know. So basically make an Excel sheet and write down all the brands that you want to work with. So my goal was to work with Miss Siri, and I was able to do that. So excited about that. So definitely do that, but we go more in depth in our course for you guys to kind of know about becoming, knowing what brands are good in the esthetician industry. I also love Estemax. I don't know if you guys heard about them, but they're like a jelly mask. I'm so in love. I love their products. I love the ingredients that are in their products. I love what their products are used for. So those two are like my top brands. Oh, how could I forget? I also like Fur Cosmetics. They're really good. I use them for my aftercare for my clients that are waxing. And I use the oil for my dermaplaning clients. So yeah, y'all check them out. Okay, number 2, after you write down like all the brands that you want to work with, sample out what do you want to say to those brands. So in our course we kind of have like a prompt that kind of shows you how to address these brands and why they should choose you, because at the end of the day you can contact these brands but they're going to be like, what are you bringing to the table? Like, what can we exchange from each other? So for instance, I love marketing. I love doing videos. I love doing reels. I love showing off the product. So that was one big thing that was like really good to like state in my letter when I wanted to work with Miss Siri. So just being upfront, knowing what you can bring to the table, and don't be shy. Like if you haven't even started making that content, start because they just want to see you start so they know that you're like a good candidate for their brand. So don't be scared, y'all. Don't be scared. Number 3, after reaching out to those brands, they kind of take about like a week or 2 to respond, but if not, in the meantime, get your marketing up. So find a marketing coach, find a mentor, find someone that can get you on a road to make those contents, or make those like reels, those TikToks, those what else they have on Instagram posts, like knowledge. Like say if you posted, like for instance, let me show you guys, like for instance, if I posted this wax cleaner, right, and you guys can see it's from, can you see? Focus. It's not focusing. Okay, but this wax cleaner is from Miss Siri, guys. So if I wanted to make a post, I can definitely take a picture of this cleaner and actually write the benefits of why someone should use this cleaner, like compared to other cleaners that may be in a dollar store or whatever. But I actually use this cleaner to clean my wax pot, like the top of it. Sometimes like when you start waxing and wax falls on the pot. So this is very beneficial. It's a great wax cleaner for that. And making a post can inform everyone like, oh yeah, maybe I want to go buy this too. So in the meantime, get your marketing up. Get a marketing coach who can sit there and write out different marketing tactics that they think is beneficial for your business, and get to it. Honestly, consistency is key, guys. Like with anything, once you're consistent, it keeps rolling, and I promise you guys, like, living proof. Like, I can even post, like, you guys can see some reels that I talked about with Miss Siri, the number of views I got, the YouTube videos I made. So get your marketing up, be consistent, don't fall off, because honestly, I can definitely say I kind of fell off as far as making marketing, because I was tired. Like, marketing, like, doing a lot of marketing videos can get you, like, really tired. So what I've learned from my experience is that I should just pick, like, 2 days out of each month and literally just make my content. Once I do that, I don't have to worry about, oh my god, I'm scrambling for content every day, because I already have my content made. I just have to put it together, you know? So don't be like me, but lesson learned, I definitely make my content ahead of time. Okay, so the last one for once you reach out to the brands and then you start sending your, like, making your content and being more visible online, the fifth one would be, once they contact you, that's when you guys will come up with some type of deal. Now, to become a brand ambassador, like I said, they have to receive and you have to receive. So in this time period, you guys will come up with different, like, deals or what's beneficial, or they may already have a prompt in place that they work with independent contractors, so you are pushing their brand, you know what I'm saying? So you'll see once you start working with a brand, or once you start getting in communication with their sales department, what, like, contracts are in place. But on your side, I will always say have a contract. So if you know what you bring to the table, you know how many views you bring to the table, come in and say, hey, like, I love your products, but let's do an exchange. If I make this video, maybe I want 10K, like, you know, like something like that. Like, but be reasonable. Because be reasonable and know your value and know your worth. Like, know what you bring to the table and know how you can add to their table. So it's like a win-win situation, especially when using someone else's brand. Because it's like, if you wanted to promote your brand to someone, you would want the exchange to be equal as well. Like, if someone was promoting my Olive Glow robes, like, I know in the meantime, like, okay, well, if you can use your discount code and you make this much sales, then I'll be like, okay, well, maybe you can profit off of it by getting more robes or getting a percentage cut. So you guys kind of have to look at that, like, that point of view of becoming a brand ambassador. So not to get anyone discouraged, but it's not hard. Like, once you have the prompts, the agencies that you want to work with, your marketing tactic in place of what you're doing behind the scenes, then fourth, your personal deals, you can make it happen. But sometimes people need that push, and I am so ready to be the coach for you guys that you need, especially in the esthetician industry, just how to uplift you guys and be a mentor for you guys and help you get those brand deals. And I'm speaking from experience, not just like, oh my god, like, just this is how you do it, but this is literally my experience. And you can see, like, you can literally go to those brand pages and see how I correlate with them. We follow each other. So yeah, this is not, you know, this is all it. This is real life. So don't get discouraged. You guys got this, and blow up. Q1 is coming. 2023 is here. And I want to see you guys win, because we're all going to win. And my team here, like, that's why I have a team. And I want all of them to win, because if they win, I win, and we all win. So, yeah. So let me know if you guys want any more tips on being a brand ambassador. Definitely check the link in our bio where it takes you right to our course, our online course. We have prompts, and then in the online course with the prompts, then you'll be able to talk to me one-on-one, and the assistant that you guys get, who is going to help you with your business, is going to prompt out what you need to say to these brands. So it's all for you guys. The sale is definitely here for the holidays and will end after January 1st. So get to it, guys. We're ready to work. See you guys.